This is a razzaq YT production.
Hey, what's up YouTube? What's good? It's Razzaq here and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to retwist your hair in 15 to 20 minutes using what I like to call the braid method. And I'm going to explain that to y'all in this video. Just stay tuned. But thank you guys for all the love and support that you've been showing the channel as of recently. And on that note, I'm going to go ahead and put up our Instagram shout outs for the week right now. And remember, you guys, you can get an Instagram shout out too if you just DM me on Instagram, interact with me. Just show love and you might get in the video. But without any further ado, let's get straight into the video and let's go.
And I'm just trying to count up the cake, just trying to scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas, stay in your place. Yeah, yeah.
Alright y'all, so I'm fresh out the shower and let's just hop straight into this. The only things that you need for this method that I'm going to teach you is some water. If not, you just get your hair in the shower, some oil, and some rubber bands. But that's the only three things that you're going to need for this. So mark my words, 3 things: oil, water, rubber bands. That's it, and that's all you need for this method. All right, so as I was saying, this is a very minimalistic type of retwist, just because as you guys can see, I can use another retwist, and a lot of the times I can use a little retwist, but I don't want to do like a full retwist just because I don't like putting too much tension on my scalp and the roots of my hair a whole bunch of the time. So what I'm going to do right now is like an example of what I call like a loose retwist, which is really just kind of making sure everything is still all sectioned up while keeping it a little bit neater. What that's going to do for you is really just avoid any thinning and make sure that your hair doesn't constantly get retwisted, because as y'all know, constantly retwisting hair is a big no-no. It's not a good thing. You should very much avoid it. So to avoid that, maybe after a wash or something, your hair's looking puffy, you just gotta do this braid method. Alright guys, so right now I'm actually gonna show you guys how to do the braid method retwisting style. Alright, let's just hop straight into it. First thing you're gonna want to do is put your hair up, put your hair away. If your hair is too short to put it up in one ponytail, put it in some sections. Whatever you gotta do just to, you know, get some hair out of the way. You don't always need all your dreads down all the time. So once you put your hair up in your little pineapple or ponytail, whatever you decide to do, go ahead and pull out 3 dreads. And as you guys know, this is a braiding method. I'm gonna show you guys how to braid. So if you don't know how to braid, don't even worry, don't click off the video, I got you. First thing you're gonna wanna do is put some oil on your finger, all right? Oil on your finger, not too much, not too little, enough to saturate the roots of the hair. Alright, so you're gonna oil up the roots, oil up the roots, oil up the roots, get the roots real oiled. And to make sure, to make sure that this retwist is not too tight, all you're gonna do is get 1 palm roll and palm roll the dread, hold that to the side. Palm roll the dread, hold that to the side at 2. Palm roll the dread, hold that to the side too. And as you guys can see, it looks pretty damn, you know, retwisted up a little bit. And honestly speaking, however tight you want your retwist is however many times or how hard you should palm roll your hair. Because the harder or more times that you palm roll it, the tighter it's gonna get. And I only did it 1 time, as you guys can see. It's not too tight on my scalp, but it's also not very loose. Next thing you're gonna want to do is braid it. So if y'all didn't know how to braid, all you gotta do is take a strand from a side and put it behind the middle. Just look what I'm doing. Get a strand in the middle, and you're just gonna want to keep on braiding like that, really until you see fit. You don't have to braid all the way down to the end of your dreadlock. Because this is just a retwist method, you're not really trying to braid the hair. You just want something to hold the scalp. And as you guys can see, this is a lot faster than a regular retwist method, just because in a regular retwist, you'd be doing a dread by dread by dread. And in this method, we knocked out 3 dreads at one time. And once you just get pretty good at this, and after like practice a couple times of doing it, you'll honestly just get the hang of it. I'm gonna do one more example for y'all and show you how to do the braid method one more time before I just cut to the end and the final results. And a lot of the time, I don't even just leave out the braid like this. Whenever I finish, I'll just tie it up somewhere. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna leave the braid down. Once again, get your 3 braids, put the oil on the roots, You should also put some oil on the scalp too, but I'm not gonna put this olive oil on my scalp because it's a little bit thicker and I don't like thick oils on my scalp. I'm just putting this on my roots for the retwist. And, all right. Palm roll to the side. Palm roll, hold to the side. Y'all see me doing 1 palm roll. You get like this, and you go like this, all right? Just like that, they are retwisted up. And that was, as y'all see, a few seconds at most. Next thing you gotta do, behind the other, is just braid. And I'm sorry that I'm not the best teacher of how to braid. I'll link some descriptions on how to braid in the, in the description. This is it. And sometimes you might even want to just tie them together. I'm probably not gonna lie, probably gonna do that because as y'all see, the ends are coming out, which is okay for this. You really just need the root to be braided up just so it holds. And whenever you finish braiding up your whole head, you can either let it dry overnight, which is probably what I'll do. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and show you guys the finished results. Or if you have a blow dryer, I don't, I know. You can just blow dry it and, it'll dry pretty fast. But as you guys can see, these are the 2 braids that I just did. And
watch this, Mr. Krabs.
I will come back with the finished results when I'm finished. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I am done with the braid method. Not gonna give you the full 360 just because it doesn't look good, because it's not supposed to. The braids are only there to keep your hair in place, like I said. Kind of like in place in the clips. I started at 8:05 and it's 8:20 and it's 8:05. I started at 11:05 and now it's 11:25. Like, off the dot. So it took me exactly 20 minutes to do this. And obviously, depending on how many dreads you have, is gonna vary how long it takes. I have less than 80, so someone who has 200 is probably gonna take a little bit more time than 20 minutes. But I'm gonna get back to you guys in the morning with the results and stay tuned. Alright YouTube, what's up? It's the next morning. I know I'm in a different bathroom, but let's not worry about that. And as you can see, I still got the braid method in. And what I'm gonna do right now for y'all is just take it out and I'm gonna show y'all how to take out one of them. It's gonna be the one in the front. All you gotta do is unbraid it. I don't know how to describe how to unbraid. I'll probably put a video of that in the description as well. But as you guys can see, I took out the braid and we got pretty nice results. I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever I finish the whole thing, and just stay tuned. Alright you guys, as you can see, I'm back in my original bathroom. We're not gonna talk about it, but this is the results, y'all, and as you can see, it came out very, very, very nicely. I think it's pretty stiff. Give me a little wavy pattern, and my roots are decently retwisted. Remember I told you guys in the beginning of the video that I didn't want it too tight, and that's why it looks so loose. But if you desire for your retwist to be super tight, then just palm roll it a little bit tighter. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And thank you guys for all recent love and support. Don't forget that you can get an Instagram shout out just by interacting with me, or you could also share the video with 3 friends and DM me the proof, and I'll give you a shout out in the next video. But without any further ado, I'm gonna end it off here. And if you guys are curious as to how I started my dreads, I'm gonna leave a little video after the transition. You guys go check that out. And if you also want to see my 1-year update, I'm gonna also leave a video after the transition. So go watch those videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Fucking your bitch all week, she so frail. Oops, I ain't mean to say bitch. That's your thigh, get your female. Ass fat, she don't need no scale. Good brain, she study at Yale. Bring your friend, oh, I won't tell. This drink got me moving like a snail. BSO, we going up. We got the party going down. Throw up your hood, where you from? This 40 got a kickback like a drum. In that new
spaceship, I'm cruising with the wind. Come and party, baby, and bring all your friends.